we are in a change of scenery because, baby, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Am I the only one who heard Shein is offering ways to get stuff for the free? In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you ways that I know personally for you to be able to get some items for the free. And also ways that I researched and tried myself so that you wouldn't have to. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. I got some tea for that ass. But before we jump into that, I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and thumbs up this video because I already know you're gonna like it. And if you're new here, well, hello, welcome. I really hope this is not gonna be your last time stopping by. And if you're coming back, girl, give me some. That's why any tea that I share in this video will be found in my description box, pinned in my comments. You already know I got you. I'm gonna start by saying that each and last one of these ways for you to be able to get anything from Shein for the free will require you to have the Shein app, and you will need to create an account. So if you haven't done that yet, sis, what you waiting on? I'll give you a few minutes to go ahead and set that up. I'm also going to be truthful and say that some of these ways you will have to spend money to get money, but we'll get there soon. Now let's start off by talking about way number one, which happens to be the bonus center. Now, I know I'm not the only one who has ordered with Shein a time or 15. Okay, I didn't think so. After you receive your order and you go into the app, they typically have an area where you can be able to write reviews. Did you realize, though, that when you write a review, you receive points? And those points can be converted into coins, allowing you to essentially get the item for the free? From my understanding, when you register and sign up, you automatically get 100 points. If you leave only a review, you get 5 points. If you leave a review with a photo, you're gonna get 15 points. And if you add the sizing information with it, that earns you an additional 2 points, coming in at a whopping 17 points in total. Speaking of that, shout out to the women who leave detailed reviews. I'm talking about including the size, if it has stretch and all, weight, height, should I size up, should I size down? Y'all are the truth. And sis, if you got a whole coupon code, if you stack that thing like a Big Mac, is people still eating Big Macs? Well, if you stack that thing like a double Whopper, are they still eating Whoppers? You essentially will get stuff for the low or for the free, depending on how much Tingz you have in your cart. Now, I do remember reading that some of these points does have expiration dates, child. But trust and believe, I'm pretty sure you'll get around to using them because when you place the order from Shein, there's always something else on Shein that you wish you would have ordered in that last order that's going to influence you to place another damn order again. It's a domino effect. Redeem these points when you're checking out and you'll be able to see it. Okay, airplane. And you'll be able to see it. You won't even be able to overlook it. It'll be towards the bottom once it's time for you to check out. So start posting those reviews. And I'm speaking to myself as well because I got a list that still needs to be reviewed. And y'all start liking those people's reviews. You see when they be saying like for points, that's what they mean. They trying to get their shit for the free. Let's move on to the next way that you can be able to get shit for the free from Shein. Number 2, free trial program or product tester. Now, I've been seeing this all over the internet, child. Social media land has been running this in the ground. I even had a few of y'all come into my inbox and say, well, have you heard of this? Is this legit? And if you didn't know nothing about it, girl, I'm about to put you on. So essentially, you're getting free items in exchange for a review. That means with this particular way of getting stuff for the free, you're going to have a social media account. I don't really know if it matters how big of a following you have, but I do know you're going to have some type of social media presence because the point of you getting items for the free is to promote their clothing and get people influenced to buy. You following me? I actually signed up for this because I wanted to know whether or not if this really was legit. Let me tell you exactly where you can be able to find this section as well so that you can be able to do it. Come on, get your phone out, get your computer, whatever, follow along. So because you done downloaded the app and you created the login, find this tab that says me, scroll down to more services. You're going to have to do a little scroll on over until you find free trial center. You got that? Okay. I can say after doing my little research and my homework, child, the selection was a little slim to none. And I believe that it varies and typically changes. I hope. that's the case. So it's not like you can just go on the website and just pick out anything for the free with this particular program. At least that's not what I see. You can even narrow it down to what type of items, whether if it be household, women's clothing, children's clothing, whatever, honey. So I would go to category women apparel, and I do see some stuff differently than what I didn't see the last time, but it's still not giving what I know Shein can give. You're gonna see it say $0, and you're gonna press the link that says free trial. You're going to select whatever size it is that you wear. You're going to put next, and then you're going to have to input your name and an address. Then you go ahead and press submit. From my understanding, you can request up to 3 items at a time, submitting an application. And you'll have to check back to see if you've been approved. So essentially asking for permission to do it. And I guess there's a team that goes and see, I'm not really sure what they go and look at, and then they'll approve you or not. So I did an item, and we're gonna see together if I got approved, because there is a tab that says, where is it, my applications, and as you can see here, mine is still pending. And I did this, I believe, 2 days ago. Hopefully by the time I upload and edit this video, they'll be done gave me a response so I can let you know, or I'll pin it down to let you know if I got approved or not. This is a really great way, especially if you see some items that you like, to be able to try out. But like I said, y'all know I'm heavy on the Shein hauls and things like that, and a lot of the stuff that I typically get to haul, I didn't see on the list. I'm not sure where they found these clothes and stuff from that they want to give away for the free. No wonder why it's for the free. I'm just being honest. Nobody is talking about that. But you can't be ungrateful, right? When somebody giving you something, you can't be ungrateful, as my grandma would tell me. Another way that I have been seeing trending all over social media, honey, the Shein brand ambassador program. Let's talk about it real quick, because a lot of these people, they be dropping tea, but they don't give you all the tea, honey. They pour you just a drop, just a little bit to quench your thirst. So here's the requirements that nobody don't really talk about. Number 1, you must be 18 years of age, at least 18 years of age. You must be enrolled in a university or college in the US. I don't know about you, but it's so long since I've been in school. So this one would definitely be for the younger girlies, more the social media girlies. And it says you also must be authorized to work in the US. So basically this is a commission-based program. And these girlies are really coming up, especially if they have a large following. So essentially what they're doing is they'll give you a referral code that lasts up to 90 days. And anytime you place an order, they get a little piece of the pie. I've seen one particular girl say that she has gotten over tons of Shein gift cards and so forth. After the 90-day period, the reference code will automatically be removed from the person's account who puts that ambassador code in their account, and the person will no longer earn commission off of those orders. Another thing I learned while doing my research was that a lot of these girlies are telling you, hey, go put my reference code in that slot. They're leaving out that they're earning anything, which it really shouldn't matter, especially if you watch their content, right? Because why we hating on people getting their money? But from what I'm understanding is they give you a lot of coupon codes, exclusive coupon codes to use. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. I'm going to share with you exactly where you can be able to input this code just in case you want to. You're going to go back into the app, go into the tab Me, look for more services, and then my reference. When you click that, it'll ask you for the reference code. Remember I said I did my research? The young ladies whose video I watched, I'm going to insert her reference code, and we're going to see together whether or not we get some really great coupons and discounts like she said we will. Remember, when you input this reference code, you stuck with the person for the next 3 months. Let's go see what coupons. Okay, airplane. I don't think I'm going to be able to record again in nature, child, because it's hating on me. Let's see what coupons I already have. So it said you have 3 coupons that will expire. Let's go there. So I have a 20% off, 40% off. Oh, I need to go order right now. Hold on, I'll be right back. 50% off. Oh yeah, I'm about to call y'all back for real. Truthfully, it don't even look like I need. Okay, now the lawnmower. Or is that the weed eater? Whichever. Tomatoes. It looks like I don't even need to input sis information, but I'm gonna do it just to see. So my reference, copy and paste the code, update it. Bind successful. I don't know why I can't read today. So let's go back and see if we see any additional coupons. Matter of fact, let's close out and come back in and see if we see any coupons. I don't see anything differently. You see anything different? Seeming a little iffy. However, if you're younger and you're watching this video, this would be the perfect way for you to be able to get Shein stuff for the free, especially if you have a social media presence. Creating this reference code, putting your link everywhere, promoting their items, whether if it's get ready with me, house, vacations, whatever the case is. If you make those type of contents and then post your link, they click on it and check out, you get some money. Now let's move on along, because we done spent a lot of time on the ambassador program. Let's get into the older girlies, the ones that's fine like wine, the more mature audiences. You guys can be able to get free items by joining the affiliate program that Shein has. I pretty much Googled Shein affiliate program, and of course, Dr. Google gonna lead you straight to the prize. Never disappoints. So with the affiliate program, for you to be able to get the best bang for your buck and stuff for the free, because that's the goal, right? That's the reason why you even clicked on this video. You will need also a social media presence, or you will need some type of following, child. Whether if it's your family, them. Well, we all know how the family could be, child. When they realize that it's got something to do with you earning some type of coin, everybody be against it, but that's another topic for another day. But if you have friends, family, cousins, brother, sister, uncles, whoever, child, workers, anybody that you know shops on Shein, because who the hell at this point ain't shopping on Shein? You can provide them with your link. When they click the link and place the order, I believe they get a discount. You get a percentage from that order. And I know you're probably wondering, like, so how the hell is that free, Kira? That, remember earlier, not too long ago, I talked about you have to spend money to make money. It's that one right here. So you could be able to purchase your items or whatever, but if you're getting and you're making money on the regular, continuously flowing in, you're pretty much going to reimburse yourself. So essentially, you're canceling out how much you paid for it because you were refunded the amount. Are you following along? Do you understand what I'm saying? Another way that you can be able to find it, if you don't want to Google, you can go onto Shein's app, and then in the search engine, you can type in affiliate, and it'll come up. And that's where you can be able to create an account, join, sign up, all of that. Participation requirements. You must have the app, which we done already established that and created that in the beginning of the video. Your affiliate account has to be active on a platform. TikTok, IG, Facebook, YouTube. Pick one. From what I've seen, you didn't have to do it on each and every last one of them. You pretty much just pick one that you're active on, because I'm pretty sure they're looking to see if you're active. Once you're set up, all you really have to do is just share your link. Share your link. Share your link. Promote, 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 and this will turn into coins. From my understanding, it's 20% on the very first order of someone. Like if they're new to Shein, which, can anybody point me into the direction of anybody who's new to Shein? And where the hell they been at? Up under a rock? Existing, you get 2% commission. Okay, say they don't want you to make money without saying they don't want you to make money, huh? Your welcome reward, you get $2, and if your first referral, you get $3. A whopping $5. What can you get off Shein's website for $5 though? Maybe some nails or something. Maybe some lashes. Oh, an accessory. I always end up at the accessory side of town of Shein. Am I the only one? Another way that you can get free items from Shein is by being a content creator and promoting Shein items. Again, this is where I said you have to spend money to make money. If you're making content consistently, it's pretty good, and you start tagging Shein, hashtagging them on different platforms, and this is really good tea for the social media content creator, they will be all up and down your inbox. Hell, you could even reach out to them and let them know, hey, check me out. I do Shein hauls. I create content really well. You know, sell yourself. And don't count yourself out because your following isn't big, because that means absolutely nothing. Some of the smallest content creators have the best content, to be honest. If you want to go faceless, because that's the new thing as well, I've seen too many times. Let me know if you have seen this as well, where people will literally not show their face at all in the clips, but they'll show themselves unboxing the items from Shein, or they'll put outfits together and lay them out on their bed. Faceless content. Upload it, tag their company, be consistent. And I'm willing to bet that this is a way that you can be able to get yourself free items. And then from that point, you can work up to negotiate and how much you charge, because you know that's the goal. That's the end goal, to make coins from these billion-dollar companies. Oh, and another thing, don't get bamboozled, child. Don't get scammed. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. I've been seeing a lot of these $750 coupons and $750 gift cards, $500 gift cards, giveaways, and people have you clicking on these links, and then you clicking and they're leading you to God knows where. From what I'm hearing though, I heard it through the grapevine, that they're banking on your clicks. Not necessarily you're going to get that though. So don't be deceived. I feel like I gave a lot of tea in this video, and if I did, I really would appreciate if you go ahead and thumbs up this video, honey. That lets YouTube know that this video needs to be in them YouTube streets for everybody to see. If you know of some ways to be able to get some free items from Shein, won't you come on down in them comments, honey, and let the people them know. Don't gatekeep, because people be tripping and falling, running to them comments to see what's going on. If you felt the vibes here, before you go, make sure you subscribe. And if you made it to the end of this video, be sure to put this emoji down in them comments, girl. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.